Yeah, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create unlimited profiles on a particular undetected browser. So we all know that most of these undetected browsers are mostly paid. Most of them, they are mostly paid, and even if you want to use undetected browsers, they tend to give you limited profiles to run on most of them. But in this video I'll be showing you how to run unlimited profiles on GoLogin undetected browser on your mobile phone. How to run multiple profiles, unlimited profiles, as many profiles as you want on your mobile phone. If you love content like this, if you love videos like this, just go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Go ahead, like this video, share this video. In the description of this video you'll see the link to our growing community. Go ahead and join the community. Be among the first set of people to join the growing community. So without further ado, let me quickly show you what you need. So number one thing you need is to have your clone app. You download your clone app either from the Google Play Store or you download it from the iOS Store. So at the same time, get your GoLogin. So you need the GoLogin app either from the iOS Store or from the Google Play Store. Download it. Now, if you are a member of my community, you will be getting this clone app, the paid version, the pro version, the modded version of this the clone app, free of charge in the group. I'll be posting the pro version of this clone app in the group, which is more reason why you should go ahead and join our community, where you have access to unlimited free resources without any charges, free of charge. You also have access to ask questions. You can ask questions on any information or anything that are bothering you. You can always have the free space to go ahead and ask your question. There will always be someone to answer you at any point in time. So just go ahead and join the community. So number one thing you need is to get your clone app, then also download the GoLogin app. So all you need to do is to open the clone app. So just go ahead and open the clone app. Go ahead and open the clone app and wait for it to load. Now when the clone app loads, all you need to do here is to go ahead and click on the addition button down here. Go ahead and click the addition button down here. This is it. Go ahead and click the addition button down here. So when you do that, search for GoLogin. When you do that, search for GoLogin. So let's quickly search for GoLogin. Now this is it. So what you need to do is to click on the addition. Click on the addition button. Then what do? Click on clone. Click on clone down here. Click on clone down here. So when you click on clone, it will be automatically added. Can you see we've gotten an additional app here? This is an additional app that has been cloned for us. So what you need to do after this is to open the GoLogin app. Open the GoLogin app. You can go ahead and sign up. Let me quickly see if I can. Let me see if I can quickly sign up. Maybe I'm Dixon. Let me try to create let me try to create a password. Let me try to create a password. Let me try to create a password for this. Try to create a password for this, and let me click on sign up. So just go ahead, create a profile and sign up for it. Sign up for it. So you wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Mind you, sometimes it might take time to load, but just wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. So yeah, so still waiting for it to load. Yeah, so after loading, it will show you like up to 6 different profiles. Now these are different profiles it's showing you. Now mind you, this is very important, very important. Now you are going to be using this app for free. You'll be using this app for free. You can use it unlimited for free, but you can only use 3 profiles at a time. I repeat, you can only use 3 profiles at a time as a free user. You can't use more than 3. The moment you start using more than 3, then you're telling them that you want to try their app out for some time. You're telling them that you want to try out the app for some time. So all you need to do is to go ahead and do what? Go ahead and delete as many of these as possible. Go ahead and delete as many of these as possible. So let's quickly delete them. Delete them. Go ahead and delete them. Go ahead and delete them. The call is coming. I don't want to pick that call. That call is distracting me at this point. So let's go ahead and delete them. Let's go ahead and delete. So what we just need like 3 of them. We need 3 of them to be able to achieve what we are up to, what we want to do. So now these are 3 profiles now. So what you need to do now is to come up here. What you need to do is to come up here. Just come to the menu up here. Come to the menu up here. Go to the menu up there. Just click on the menu. So when you click on the menu, click on change profile. Click on change profile. Then go to monthly. So sorry for the distraction. So sorry for the distraction. So go to month. Make sure it is on monthly. Make sure this is on monthly. Then come down and select free forever. Select free forever. Select free forever. Select free forever. Sorry for that. Select free forever. So now I've chosen free forever. So at this point, what happens now is that you are now on the free plan. You are now on the free plan. So at this point, you can use this 3 profiles for as long as you want it. For as long as you want. Now after this, this particular profile is already set. This profile is already set. So what you need to do next is to you can leave this particular profile, then go back to your clone app. Go back to your clone app. So what you need to do again is to create another one. Create another. Can you see GoLogin is at the top? What do? We click on the addition there. So when you click on addition again, you click on clone. So when you click on clone, you can see that we're having another one. We are having another GoLogin here, which is GoLogin 2. So what do you do again? You open it. You open it. When you open it, you register again. You register again. Once you register again, let me see if I can use let me see if I can use okay, it's asking me to sign in. Okay, it's not even allowing it. So what you can just do, just go ahead and create another one. Just create another account, enter your email, enter your password, then confirm the password, then click on sign up. When you click on sign up, do exactly the same thing I did in the previous profile. You'll be given up to 7 profiles. Delete 4 from those profiles and leave the remaining 3. So when you leave the remaining 3, you are having another 7 profile there, making it 3 again, plus the first one you open, which is making it 6. So the more you keep opening, the more profiles you'll be having. You can have as many as possible, as long as your clone app is working fine. You can open as many GoLogin profiles as possible, unlimited profiles as possible. So that is just all you need to know about this video. This gives you unlimited restrictions to having as many profiles as possible as you want. So all you need to do, you just have your clone app, then have your GoLogin. So sorry for the distraction from the calls. So sorry about that. I needed to make sure I complete this video because the video has really gone far. I can't start all over again. That's why I had to keep on ending that call. So once again, if you love content like this, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, join our growing community. There's a lot coming on in coming days, in coming weeks, coming months. There's a lot to enjoy on this platform. Be among the first set of people to join the moving wagon, and you will have a lot of reason to be happy in the long run. So once again, I say thank you so much for joining us, for watching this video. Thanks so much. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you.